Greetings, my name is Melissa Brown and I'm the Executive Director of the Buffalo History Museum, and I'm delighted today to give you this sneak peek into the restoration work going on in our National Historic Landmark building. Demolition and construction are underway to restore this space back to George Cary's original vision, which was a grand entrance gallery in the lower level of the museum that extended in from our Parkside entrance or the Lakeside entrance. It's about a 4,000 square foot gallery, but over the years it had been subdivided. So now we're standing in the old street of shops, which you can see has already been stripped back with some of the demolition work already underway. This summer, you'll be able to experience the space for the first time. The reunited gallery, very much in keeping with George Cary's original vision. It's a flexible use space. It'll be available for events, for programs, for exhibits, and bringing out more of our premier collection. We're thrilled with the way the work is progressing, and we can't wait to welcome you back to this space.